Create Telegram channel. So the steps are so simple on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your Telegram. After you open your Telegram, tap on this pencil icon at the bottom right side. Tap on this new channel button. Now type in your channel name. I'll just go and type in my channel name. I'll just type random name. So here is my channel name. So type in your channel brand or channel description. So I'll just type in my channel. So here is my description. After you finish typing your description and your name, so tap on this plus icon now to select image for your channel. So for me, I'll just tap on it. As you can see now it will gives you option to select image from your phone. So I'll just go and skip this option now. So after you just select your image for your channel, tap on this save button. So as you can see now it will ask you to create, is it public channel or private channel do you want to create? So for me, I'll just go with public channel. So in this section now it says create public link. So create link for your channel. So I'll just go and type in my link for my channel. So as you can see now, here is the link for my channel now. After you finish creating link for your channel, make sure your link should be just something meaningful that you cannot forget or you cannot forget. So tap on this save button. So after you tap on this same button, as you can see here, it says add subscribers. So all you have to do now, go and add people to your channel. So for me, I'll just go with this, like I'll just add like 2 to 3 people just for now. So as you can see here is people that I just added. So tap on this next arrow. So here is now my channel. If I tap on this back arrow, as you can see now, here is the channel that I just created. As you can see here, it says channel created. Here is the channel now. Hope this video helps you. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.